everyone. I'm Chris Newhart here at Holloman Air Force Base, and I'm with
Charles Stromer.
Heck yeah, and thank you for taking the time to do this interview. And we let people know who you are and what you guys are doing out here today.
Yes, sir. So I'm Charles Stromer. I'm a part of the CFC, which is the Combined Federal Campaign. What that is a federal employees, postal workers, and military members opportunity to give to nonprofit organizations from September to January 14th. So we're coming up 1 week away. But this allows us to connect with nonprofits to give our money so that way they can stretch it and use it. Food bank and take $1 from us and make it into 5 cans, where we can take it into 1 can only. We can give to AFES, or base exchange, and they can give back to the local communities, Air Force, Army, Navy, and so forth. So that's kind of what we're out here trying to do. And also locally, we have our one local charity, Foxhole Homes. They build sustainable, ergonomical homes off the grid for our veterans.
That's what's up.
So again, and they're called Foxhole Homes. And the way that we can get people to donate and help pick them up, because right now they're sitting at 163 acres that they're purchasing, only $27,000 left. COVID put a real big halt to their operation, but they're only $27,000 left. And we can have people text donate to 978-487-5678, and then use the code 14747, and that'll be Foxhole Homes when they go through to submit their payment of $1, $2, it doesn't matter. Whatever you can give out of your pocket is going to be stretched by the business that's receiving it. And again, it's non-profit, so it goes directly back into the community and help those, especially our veterans in this current time.
For real, heck yeah. Well, thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you.
And thank you for this interview. And everyone, check the description for the links for all that. And you heard that, man. Donate, and please comment, like, and share, and help in any way you can.
Definitely. Thank you.
Five, 3, 2, 2552. 2552. Woo! We got